Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate video in Krea AI for mobile. In order to do so, first off, if you look on the iOS store or if you look on the Google Play Store, you're not going to find a specific app for Krea. In order to use Krea on mobile, then what you might want to do is through your browser, in this case I'm using Chrome, if you click on the icon here that looks like the square and the arrow pointing up, then you will find towards the bottom the option here to add to home screen. The same concept applies to Android as well, but we're going to go ahead and do this on iOS, and we're just going to go ahead and add that. And there you have it. Now we have Krea on our device, and when we click on that, then it will open to Krea AI, and from here we can begin to generate our video. From this point, I'm going to go ahead and select Assets in the main menu, and you'll see here that I have a few images that I've already created. We're going to go ahead and select one. And you can see on the bottom right-hand corner, there is an option here that says Turn into Video. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And here it's going to ask us to describe a scene and click generate. Now in this case we already have a prompt that I used from before, so we're just going to go ahead and use that prompt, and we're just going to go ahead and click generate here. And you'll see there that this tool is only available to users with a basic plan or higher. However, that is the basic process to rendering video on Krea, and that will give you an idea of how you can proceed. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.